What's up, guys? Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. I'm in the Blazer. We're gonna go get a new rebuild flip car. I got to be careful what I buy. I can't buy any wrecked cars, so I can't rebuild them. So this one's just got some suspension work, it looks like, from the pics. Can't go look at them anymore, so until they raise this stay-at-home thing with the situation going on, so until they raise that, so then we can go back and look at cars later. So here we go. Let's go get this car. All right, let's go. Always hits. Always hits all the time. All right, let's try this again. Almost there. We're rolling up to Copart, right under this overpass. I'm only about 10 miles away from Copart, so not a long trip. Hopefully they'll let me pick up the car. I didn't make no appointment or anything. I'm gonna play stupid. Be like, I haven't been here in a while. I don't know what's going on. Alright, looks like there's nobody here. That's good. Fuck, little transporter, son of a bitch. Alright, let's go inside. What's up, guys? Bobby's Backyard. Well, guess what? Well, the Toyota back there ain't got no keys. No keys. So I can't even start it. I can't get it off the ramps. I can't do anything. So guess what? I'm over here at, you got it, Toyota. Hammer Toyota. That's where I'm at. And here's the car at. Luckily, they can make me a key. Service said no problem. Just give them my bill of sale. And guess what? 26 bucks for 2 original keys. So, whatever. 26 bucks, that's cool. And they'll be ready in about 5 minutes. So, see you guys in a little bit. There we go. I had to unlock the steering wheel. Look at that. Ta-da. And I got power. Wow. Yeah. 100. Yep. 174. 368. It's got a little bit of gas. Let's check all the fluids. All right, let's check the fluids. First thing I gotta fix is the hood release because it's way off. Looks like it's propped open. No, it's not. It's still locked. I gotta use a hammer, wedge it in there, and then open the hood, and then it'll release. So I'm gonna have to adjust the striker somehow. Something screwed up there. Hold on. There we go. Let's see if I can do this with one hand here. Let's take the lights out. There we go. Put that to the side. Oh, it's got coolant. Just spit up. Okay. It's got brake fluid. Transmission's okay. Doesn't smell burnt though. It's not too bad. Little brown, but still a little pink, so I'll probably change that. Check the oil. Ooh. Barely register, so I got a little bit of cheap oil. I'll throw that in there before I start it, and let's see if this thing runs. Be right back. Alright guys, and it doesn't smell too bad in here, so that's good. Radio looks like it works. Alright, looks like it's got power. Let me start her up and see if it runs. Woo, right away. It's got a check engine light. We'll check that out in a minute. Alright, power steering works. Runs good. See if it goes into gear. Oh, no brakes. Dang it. Must have severed the line. Crap. Alright, let me put the e-brake on, see if it goes in gear. Yeah. Goes into gear very nicely. You can hear it, high rev. And it catches again, and then you can see the RPMs. Catches reverse, catches drive, neutral, park. Nice, and we'll check out the check engine light in a little bit. Alright, I cleared the codes. No more check engine light. The code came up as a number 4 cylinder misfire, so it's probably a coil. I'll probably buy all 4 coils and spark plugs, do a mini tune-up. And so far it's not misfiring. It's running pretty dang good. And no check engine light. It's running smooth. So yeah, I think I scored. See if the AC works. Oh, let's see the driver's window work. Yes. Passenger. Yep. A little slow. Door handle broken. Common issue on these. So order those. Those are $7 for 4 on eBay. Oh, check this out. I got a little. Look what we got here. Little wizard hat. Huh. Right on. Oh, guess what? I found gold in here. Gold. Check this out. Yeah, gold right there. Just paid this car off with this. Yes. Came with toilet paper. Alright, well, got sidetracked there. Let's see if the AC works. And yes, it does. Sweet. This car is gonna be a nice flip. Yes. Cold AC. Nice. Alright, be right back. Oh, actually, I'll show you what the damage is. So basically, A-arm got bent. You can see it right there. And then up in there, the sway bar is stuck on the axle. And the axle's rubbing on the... up there. It's rubbing on right there. Axle's rubbing back there, so the A-arm's pushed back. So definitely gotta get an A-arm. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to roll it off of here. I might be jacking it off, and then oh, that didn't sound very well. All right, more than likely I won't be rolling it off. I'll probably jack it up on jack stands, take the trailer out, and then put it on a on those car dollies that I got. I got 4 of those. I'll just put 2 in front and then roll it into the garage. All right, we're back. I already unloaded it off the truck. Sorry I didn't film that, but my friend came over and helped me, and he had his kid with him, so I didn't really want to put any kids on the video or anything like that, and he didn't want to get filmed, so and it was just unloading it. It was pretty simple. I'll tell you step by step how I pretty much took it off, because it doesn't roll, and I'll show you the damage on why it doesn't roll. So basically what I did was jack up the car, put it on jack stands, and rolled the trailer off of it, and then put these dollies on each side, and then rolled it into where it's at right now. So basically that's all I did. And there is a little bit more damage, but I'm not going to worry about it. That's where it hit the curb, and then right there. So it got hit pretty good. It pushed the A-arm back pretty good. Hopefully the strut is still good and everything like that. So I'm going to take the wheel off and see how much more damage is in there, and I'll show you more of the damage. But here's a little walkthrough. It's pretty clean. Clean it up, sell it, done. It was well taken care of. Like I said, I did all the homework on it, and it was all dealer serviced up until the last 5-6 years of its life. And right there you can see they hit a curb, busted the tire, which sucks because they're all pretty much brand new. They all match. So I'm gonna see if I can find this matching one and buy it new, because they're practically brand new, all 4. I think the records show on the Carfax when how many miles they put on these tires too. So I'm gonna check that out. But yeah, it's pretty clean. And this cover is in the trunk, so that's cool. And the other floor mat. So I think this is going to be a quick flip. Oh yeah, let me see if I can show you more damage on it. Turn the wheel. So see, it hit that right there. I'm probably gonna need a CV axle, but yeah, it doesn't roll because it's sitting right on top of the sway bar right there. Right there, it's bent A-arm. twisted. Hopefully the strut assembly's still good. I want to check that out. I wonder why there's no brakes. I don't see, unless it pinched the line. Let's see, there's that. Huh. Well, until I take the wheel off, I won't know. Right back. Alright, there you have it. Took out the bottom A-arm, and I think that's it. But it got pretty bent. It hit that curb hard. But everything else is good. Everything else, the ball joint's good, spindle's good. The hub looks like it's fine. It's not bent. I spun it. Spins pretty free. The axle seems fine, but I don't know. I rotated it by hand, and seems like it's slightly bent. So I'm gonna see the price on the new axle. It can't be that much. Since I already have everything all apart, I might as well just do it and boom, get it done. Put a new axle, bottom A-arm, done. And then clean her up. We'll go from there. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Talk to you guys later. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna order the parts. I'm gonna order the bottom A-arm, bottom control arm, and an axle. And that should be it. And then put it together and drive it around, see how it goes. But runs good, goes in gear, so should shift and all that. So until next time, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. See you guys later. Peace.